Hi, it's Michelle here from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand. I just wanted to ask that did you know you can sell things with Stampin' Up! Images on them as long as you put a copyright stamp onto the image. This is known as the angel policy. The policy can be found on page 59 of the main catalog. There's the angel policy there. And it also shows two stamp sets that have the copyright Stampin' Up! Image available. One of them is called Make a Difference, and as you can see right there, it's got the little circle C Stampin' Up! Stamp available. This is a great set because you can put any other words. You might even want to create a stamp to stamp the back of your items showing your company name or your contact details. The other stamp set is the one called Crafting Forever, and it has a little Stampin' Up! Image right there. This is great because, of course, all of us that love to craft, lots of beautiful images in there that can be colored, etc. So what you need to do is, if you are planning to sell anything, this pertains to demonstrators, non-demonstrators, anyone using Stampin' Up! Images have to stamp it with the copyright Stampin' Up! Stamp so that it's known that the images used are Stampin' Up's and you're not claiming them for your own. So if you have a simple card like that, you can just stamp directly onto the cardstock on the back. I do recommend, if you are selling things, put your contact details there as well so people can get in touch with you to purchase more if they like them. If you've made something that is on dark cardstock, do it on a little label and stick the label on the back so people can still see it. Other items like 3D projects, boxes, I sell things like this at craft markets. They still need to be stamped. So simply stamp the image on the bottom, or if there's some place inside the packaging. This pertains to this item because I do have Stampin' Up! Images stamped around the box. So hopefully you enjoyed that little Did You Know segment, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. You can go to my blog spot for more inspiration and other tips and ideas, as well as if you want to purchase any of these stamp sets and you are in New Zealand and do not already have a demonstrator, I'd love to be yours. So you can contact me at my website, michellekritchley.stampinup.net. If you live outside New Zealand, contact your local demonstrator. You can look them up on stampinup.com, or if you've already got one, simply talk to them because you want to make sure you got the Stampin' Up! Copyright image on anything that you may sell. If you're giving them away to friends, family, etc., you do not need to stamp that because you're not making money off of it. Policy is only for people that are making money off items that have a Stampin' Up! Image on them, whether it's new or old, retired images as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.